Hello guys and welcome back to our channel. Today I will show you how to play against friends in Monopoly Go. It's a simple process, so let's dive right in. Start by opening the Monopoly Go application and wait for it to load fully before moving to the next step. Now, to initiate an attack on your friend's town, land on a railroad space on the board. But before doing so, make sure you have enough dice and consider using a multiplier to maximize your rewards. Now, select a multiplier based on your available dice. A higher multiplier will increase the rewards you earn when you attack. For example, if you choose a 5 times multiplier, each attack will require more dice but offer greater returns. Now, after landing on a railroad, you will see an option to attack a player. Here, you'll have to simply click on Switch Opponents button at the bottom of the screen. And you will see this page where you'll have to click on Friends option and all the friends you'll have appear here. Simply click on the Go option after any of the friends that you want to attack. By clicking on Switch Opponents at the bottom and going to Friends section and selecting the friend that you like to attack, you can click Go and you would have successfully attacked that friend. For example, I will select this friend. So I'll click on Go after his name, and as you can see, I'm able to attack this friend pretty easily. Just select on any of the buildings that you want to attack and you would have successfully attacked your friends in Monopoly Go. So that's how you play against friends in Monopoly Go. If you found this video helpful, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and thanks for watching.